JH, right, it's not only mandatory, but to enhance our knowledge of the products, we were asked to come to Wilo and take the training courses. I have not, no. It's my first time, not my last. You know, I think I've been in sales or technical sales for almost 40 years and been to a couple dozen of these things. And I think the main thing was the interaction between the teaching courses and then getting right out to the facility and do the product demonstrations. I really do a lot better when I have hands-on training. So to incorporate the teaching and the hands-on really was beneficial. I think that really what differentiates Wilo is the expertise of the people doing the training, both in the factory and then the coursework. The level of expertise, everyone was available. Not only that, but they brought it to a level they could read their audience, and it wasn't over my head or below what I could comprehend. So I think the full understanding, again, going back and forth between the coursework and the demonstrations was very helpful. It did. There were a couple things in the product offering that I was not aware of. For example, self-priming pumps. And to incorporate that into our portfolio and the product offering that we can do was going to be really good in the future. So, I think one of the main things was the IntelliEquip software, being able to select the proper products for the application, communicating that, and helping the engineers utilizing the selection software to better get the products in specific to their applications and operating conditions, which is most important. Yeah, back on the last question, I guess the main thing is I'm kind of not really a novice when it comes to computer technology, but it was very intuitive. I really like the worksheets and the questionnaires that you guys have so that we get all the information at the front end so we don't have as many issues we do downstream. It was interesting, you know, when you're talking with the other reps, you know, we all have different and similar experiences, but to learn from maybe someone else's mistakes or even their successes, when you hear about someone else's experience, it's most helpful. Yeah, the Q&A, a very good ability from all the presenters, whether it be in the coursework or on the demonstrations. They understood the question, they repeated the question, and they gave us the answers and then followed up.